Well, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a vlog video. I'm going to Klaipeda, to the city center. Right now I'm in Klaipeda. You see this background. This is not my house. I am visiting my mother-in-law and also my husband's side's family. So it's been really enjoying ride and I'm enjoying thoroughly. I have dressed because next year is gonna be my marriage, so we are kind of, gathering all the people for the marriage, the decorators, the cake maker, as well as the host, the DJ. It's quite a hassle. I tell you, I kid you not, it's such a hassle that everything is expensive, and I have my family coming from Mumbai, so it's gonna be quite a interesting marriage scenario. Anyways, before I get into the video, my name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. I make skincare related videos, vlogs, and also art videos. If you like this kind of videos, make sure that you click this subscribe button and also click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle. It helps me as a YouTuber and also as an influencer to grow. Before I actually dive into the video, right now I'm enjoying these two products here. Okay, you guys know that I'm very fond of this one, the Bioderma Sunscreen. I apply it on my face and it sits like magic. Its lightweight consistency as well as the chemical filters makes a shield on my face, and it doesn't seem like I'm wearing a sunscreen. It sits on my skin tone like magic, and when you apply it, it gives a nice glow to the skin. The best part about this sunscreen is that it can be used as a makeup base, and the shine that it gives is like a natural glow of the skin. I cannot stop talking about this sunscreen. This has been my favorite for quite some time. The whole summer I bought 3 of these, repurchased it 3 times and then applied it and kept applying it. That's how much I like this sunscreen. The next one is the Ordinary Hair Care. This is the multi-peptide serum for hair density. I have been using it for quite some time, and I also use coconut oil for my hair mask every Sunday, and I leave it on overnight sometimes, and on Monday morning I just wash off the excess oil from the hair. To be honest, it's my habit of applying coconut oil and then moisturizing my hair and to give it all essential oil to have a nice hair growth. And I don't know if this does something. I will be doing an honest review about this product for sure. I'm gonna be doing that. I will be talking about what are the different ingredients present in it, and one of the ingredient present in it is caffeine. I did a whole video about the coffee benefits on the skin yesterday. You guys can check it out. I cannot stop talking about caffeine and its uses on the skin, on the hair. Caffeine in studies have shown to increase or promote the hair growth. There hasn't been a lot of study on caffeine ingredient itself. This whole hair density serum works on the hair follicles which are healthy already. So it kind of promotes the hair growth, but it doesn't bring back the ruptured hair follicle to healthy hair follicle. So this is one thing that you have to keep in mind when you're applying this. This will not help you with the hair loss or with the hair problem, which is already causing baldness here for the boys. So this is not gonna help you with that. For the hair growth, I tried to do the testing because I have been using it for quite some time just to see, and I did punctually use it for 4 months. This is my 3rd bottle, so I'm gonna be doing my honest review. I'm gonna be telling you how it has shown me the results and what to expect from this serum and what not to expect from this serum. Peptides itself help with the strengthening of the hair follicle, and it helps to hold that hair follicle intact in the roots. If you have problems with the hair damaging, thinning, and you see that your hair follicles are quite with the root they are strong but their hair growth is slow, then I think that you can try this serum out. This is quite really good, and The Ordinary came up with this product. There is one more product from the Minimalist. It's also a hair density serum. It's also formulated with peptides. As I know that caffeine as well as peptides do also have anti-aging benefits on the skin. They help with bringing back that healthy skin barrier. They help with promoting the collagen and fibroblast production in the skin. But whereas in caffeine, it helps with the fine line reduction and also wrinkle reduction. So these are like very universal products which help with different skin hair problems. So they become like a really good choice to opt for skincare ingredients and to make some formulations out of it. I would like to show you how does this product actually look like. It has like a dropper bottle, and you can just load a little bit of a product. You can load like a little bit of a product and then go onto your scalp and then start applying it. I'm not gonna do that because it does give an oily finish and your hair looks very bad after that. Like, you have to do it at nighttime and let it get soaked into the roots. This is one thing that you have to keep in mind, that whenever you're using this, not at the daytime but at nighttime, like when you're doing your skincare, and it's like 1 or 2 hours before the bedtime, and then you can apply this into your scalp and nicely massage it, and then braid your hair or put a pony, or it's okay, just tie your hair up. This will show not instant results. You need to keep using it. It's been 4 months for me, and my results I'm gonna disclose in another video, but it's quite slow process. It takes time. All right, before I go to Klaipeda, I would like to take you to my garden. I'm gonna show you how I eat raspberries and blueberries straight from the tree. This is very interesting for me, and I'm gonna show you also my apple trees, pear trees, and I'm gonna take you around the pond, and I'm gonna show you the water lily that I have. Actually, we didn't take care of this house for quite some time, but it's very beautiful. Come, let me show you that. You see, these are the apple. They can't be harvested right now. They will take some time, but after 2 to 3 months you see there's like all fallen apple from the branches. This is how the apple tree looks like. It's loaded with apples. I'm waiting. When can I just pluck one and just eat it? And then here we have pear tree. This is pear tree. It's still in process. It's very hard. And here we have another apple tree. Apples on the ground, almost reachable to pluck it. But they all are still, it's gonna take 1 or 2 more months to grow these and make them easy to eat. If you try to pluck it and eat it now, it's gonna be very sour and it won't have that nice sweet taste to it. And here is our another apple tree, if you guys can see in the branches. This is our organic farm. We come here on summertime, we sit here, we eat healthy apples. Another pear tree here. Then here we have blueberries. This is the blueberry that I eat every morning when I'm having exercise time. These are so fresh. Look at it. So here you can see that this is our raspberry plant. Here are raspberries. You can pluck it, eat it in the morning. I walk here in the morning time with my dog. Neo, that's my dog, enjoying himself with grass. Hello. Haja, 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 eating grass. He likes to eat grass. I think that's more like a dog thing. So here is my raspberry bushes. So that's our water lily there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's full of shrub weed around. It looks very beautiful. This is the pond. My dog likes to take shower in the pond, and we tried to remove the weed, but it was very tough. But there is a water lily. I'll try to show you how it looks. Okay, there is a gap here. Now this is the water lily in the pond. You guys can see it looks so beautiful. I am absolutely in love with it. That's our house over there. We live there. This is our farmhouse, and we come here every summer. We sit here, we relax here, we chill here. We come just to have good food, and that is organic food. It's loaded. It's gonna be ripe soon, and we're gonna eat a lot of apples as well as pear.